Here, this is Rishi Kumar. I'm here to discuss you about 12th class. This time I went for evaluation where we experienced very few new things that I just want to share with you. Before sharing those things, I just want to let you know about the curriculum of 12th class and the question paper pattern. If we talk about the curriculum, so we are having two books. One is Vistas, another is Flamingo. Flamingo is our main reading book. Another is Vistas, which is supplementary. Flamingo is having 8 chapters in prose and 6 in poetry. And Vistas is having 8 chapters. So we have to study this, and our novel is out of syllabus right now. So the question paper which we are facing or having in our examination, that is of 80 marks. 20 marks are allotted for ASL. This year it was internal ASL, next time it may be external, depends, but I am not sure about that. So 20 marks will be allotted from the school side, or these are your internal marks. 80 should scored by student by appearing in external examination for board. The 80 marks question paper is divided in 3 sections. First section is A section, which is known as reading section. Second one is writing section, that is of 30 marks, B section. Third section is known as C section, that is for literature. And in A section we are having 2 passages. One is of nearly 1300 words, first passage. Another passage is of nearly 600 to 800 words. First one is of 12 marks. There is variety of questions. All questions are of 1 mark. All 12 questions out of 12. Generally 6 questions are MCQs based, and MCQs, and remaining 6 are a very short question. And second one is second question is having 2 parts. One is our note making, that is of 4 marks. Another is your summary writing, that is also of 4 marks. Now we are moving in second section. Second section is your writing section. Writing section is having various questions. The first question of writing section, which is also known as the third question of this question paper, that is about the short writing. Short writing means your notice, your advertisement, your poster writing or invitation. Generally 4 categories are there. Out of these 4 categories, 2 questions will be there. Questions of 2 category must be there. You have to opt anyone, that is of 4 marks. Second one is second question of B section, means the 4th question of this question paper, that is generally found for the letter writing. In that letter writing, you are supposed to there will be 2 questions. You have to opt anyone. These 2 questions must be related to your letter to editor, letter, inquiry letter, your letter, other than this order letter and inquiry letter, placement of various things. Various sort of letters are there, many official, demi-official, and business letters. Out of 2 you have to opt anyone with the latest pattern, that is of 6 marks, so that become 10. Another question, that is the 5th question. 5th question is either, that is remain 5th and 6th question, both are depends on long writing. In that long writing, your article writing, report writing, debate writing, and speech writing. Out of 4 you will get all 4 questions in this 5th and 6th question, but out of these 4 you have to opt any 2. These are of 10 marks. Be careful while answering these questions. Then it become 30 marks. So 30 plus 20. First A section is of 20. Second B section is of 30. So it become 50. Now we are lacking with 30 marks also. The C section is literature section, that is of 30 marks. So here the 7th question, or the first question of C section, that is related to the comprehension. Here 7th and 8th question both are based on comprehension. In this comprehension, we have to reply 8 questions. These are also very short questions, even sometimes these are one word questions. Generally these questions are having name of the author and the literary devices which are used. 2 common questions are found there, but it is of 8 marks. 2 comprehension, 4 questions with each, that become 8. And later on the ninth question, that is about the ninth question is about the uh, uh, short answer type questions. In that each question is having 2 marks value. Out of 6 we have to attempt, or students have to attempt any 5, so that become of 10 marks. 10 in 8, that become 18. Afterwards the 10th and 11th question both are of 6 marks. These are both the questions are from both the books, that is, one is from 2 are from Vistas, 2 are from Flamingo, from the prose section generally. But you have to select or opt one from each, from both the books you have to attempt one, and that become 12. So 18 plus 12, that become 30. So total value of this section become 30. The total value of question paper become 80. 80 plus 20 internal, that become 100. This time one thing I faced in this examination, which was a common mistake done by the students while appearing examination. They opted one from 7th or 8th question. But generally why they did so, because earlier there were 2 comprehension passages. Out of these 2 comprehension passages they have to opt any one, so they did not go through with the exam pattern carefully, and this they did due to their carelessness. So be careful while appearing in examination. Be careful while taking your examination, specifically about the 7th and 8th question from literature section. Means you are not supposed to opt any one, you have to go for both the questions. Be careful, because we are getting 15 minutes reading time when we get your question paper. So be careful. In that time, read your question paper only. Earlier the same question paper was of 100 marks, and allotted time was 3 hours, and students were taking their exam in 3 hours. They were completing the entire question paper in 3 hours. This time we are having 20 marks less work. Then you should not be in hurry. Be careful. Be careful while going through the question paper, otherwise your hard work will be in vain if you are not going to bother about the question paper. So be careful specifically about C section, otherwise you are missing 4 marks. Why I am telling this, giving emphasis on this thing again and again, because most of the students committed this mistake, and those students who were going to score good marks, who were scoring more than 90% marks, but they were lacking only due to this question, because they opted any one among between these 2 questions. So be careful. If any query is there, be in touch. Thank you. Have a nice day.